if you like my nails.
So guys, I'm with my client today. You know, I've got this really rich client. It's Mama Does Nails. Welcome back to my channel. We're in the salon today, so you know it's like Easter. We've got lots of noise in the background, but I hope you enjoy the video. I will obviously do camera facing down. This is my amazing client. She's so rich. I can't wait till she actually pays me. Like, oh my gosh. Anyway guys, we're gonna get on with the nails. Do you want to just say hi to the audience? Go on.
Hi. Hi. My name is Kyla, and
no, her name is Rich Kyla.
Rich Kyla. And I'm the client.
And you ready for me to do your nails?
Yeah.
Do you trust me? Okay. So I'm gonna turn the camera down.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have.
Bye, guys.
We will definitely say bye in, you know, afterwards. Oops. Okay guys, I'm just going to apologize in advance in case my table's a bit wobbly. We are doing some renovations at the moment, so please bear with us. I'm just going to go ahead and take the shine off her nails because we're going to put some extensions on for her today.
Yeah.
She's got such an amazing week planned. And like I said, she's got her own private plane. She just goes everywhere. Literally, she goes all around the world. Like, where's the most interesting place that you've been to?
To a mansion.
You hear that, guys? She has lived and been to a mansion. That is amazing.
Yeah.
And have you ever, like, been on, like, a big ship?
Yeah, and I got free food.
And she got free food as well. Like, I cannot. You see, this is what I love. Absolutely love that. So we're going to stick the tips on, guys, and we're going to be right back. So I'm just using some nail tabs. Obviously, they're very child friendly. And once you take away the shine, she can actually wear these. So yeah. We're just going to put the rest of the nails are looking. I'm just going to literally file these nails. They're just going to look so cute. I'm just going to take off the shine off these nails so they can be ready for me to polish. So here are how the nails are looking, guys. We have filed and buffed, and my client is happy with the length. So yeah, we're going to get into some polish now. This is how the pink is looking. So gorgeous.
Yeah.
What do you think? You like it?
I love it.
Alright, so that's the pink on. And these polishes, guys, are absolutely safe for children. You can even get peel off. Yeah.
Yeah.
And you don't need to use any harsh chemicals. Put it in the lamp.
Yeah.
There we go.
Looking good.
Okay, so we're just going to do the thumb. I'm going to use this beautiful pinky purple color, and it's got such a stunning shimmer.
Yeah.
Especially with the summer. I absolutely love these polishes. Just going to put her in the dryer. She's nearly dry, guys.
Hi guys. Now this is sticker time. I love stickers.
So we're just going to put a few bunny stickers for her. Like, so cute.
So cute.
Put another one here. So I'm just going to get the stickers on.
Look at
I think this length looks amazing on you.
It looks
like
so cool.
Perfect. Bunnies.
Yeah.
What, like these ones?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
or some bunny ears.
Oh yeah, these bunny ears are so cool. So let's put this bunny ear
on the glittery ball.
Yep, and then maybe we can put a flower as well, or
Flower's
bow.
Cute.
Which one? Flower or bow?
A flower.
A flower.
The flower's cute.
I think the flower's cute too. So we'll put the flower there.
So cute.
So here are how the nails are looking. Oh my gosh, we're snatching the phalanges. Let's just show everyone how this thumb is looking. How
Look
cute.
how Oh my.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, I have some nails, but when I just
Instagram.
look normally,
Okay.
there's no nails on me. But now, if I go on Snapchat
Wow.
and I look off, look how cute these nails are.
They are so cute.
Look how pretty that is, guys.
Oh my gosh, right? We got the
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look
And then
how gorgeous.
We've got the air. So beautiful.
Love it. I love it, and I just feel very excellent.
Love it. Can we see the nails, please, sweetheart?
Of course.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. They look so cool. Oh my gosh. So, guys, what do you think about the nails?
Comment down below if you like my nails.
There we are. There's the nails. That's the first hand. Absolutely stunning. That's the other hand. Love them. I'm going to just show everyone. Wow.
Look how awesome they are.
Wow. Oh my gosh. So cool. Thank you all so much for watching, and thank you to my client. She's going to pay me now because she's got lots of money.
And
are you going to pay me?
Mm-hmm.
You got money?
I'm just going to get my purse.
Oh my gosh.
Here you are.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Money. Ah, I love it. I love my rich clients. Oh my gosh, guys. Look how excited I am. I got money. Woo!
Yeah.
So much for coming.
Don't forget one more thing.
What?
To like and subscribe.
Wow, I love that. You heard it.
And my nails, love it.
Let me have a look again. Woo!
But you guys have to remember to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like, because this is the best nails ever. Don't forget to come here. Love it.
Thank you. You heard it straight out of my client's mouth. So yeah, DM me for bookings, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.